Intermediate texturing in Blender. Introduction. Welcome to today's lecture on texturing in Blender. Texturing is a fundamental aspect of 3D modeling that adds color, detail, and authenticity to your creations.
In this session, we'll explore the essential concepts of texturing, including the different types of texture maps and how to apply them to your models using Blender's powerful node-based material system. We will learn how to assign multiple materials to a single object, begin to edit the positioning of the material on the object, called UVW mapping. By the end of this lecture, you'll have a solid understanding of basic texturing techniques and be ready to enhance your 3D models with beautiful, realistic textures. Let's dive in and unlock the full potential of your 3D creations with the art of texturing. Physically based rendering textures are designed to accurately simulate how light interacts with surfaces in the real world. They are used to create realistic materials by mimicking the physical properties of different surfaces. You can create your own PBR textures using programs like Substance Designer or Mintex. They are also freely available from sites like HDRI Haven, Ambient CG, and more. PBR textures typically include several maps, each representing a different aspect of the material. Ambient occlusion: this map simulates the soft shadows that occur in crevices and corners, adding depth to the material. Base color: this map defines the base color of the material without any lighting or shading effects.
Displacement: this map provides height information to create actual geometric detail on the surface, often used for more pronounced bumps and grooves. Metallic: this map indicates whether the material is metallic or non-metallic. Metallic surfaces reflect light like metal, while non-metallic surfaces have more diffuse reflections. Normal: this map adds detailed surface texture without increasing the polygon count.
It simulates small bumps and dents on the surface. Roughness: this map controls how rough or smooth the surface is. A rough surface scatters light, creating a matte appearance, while a smooth surface reflects light sharply, creating a glossy look.
The principled BSDF shader in Blender is designed to work seamlessly with PBR textures.
It combines multiple shader types into a single, easy-to-use node, making it ideal for creating realistic materials.
Here's how PBR textures relate to the principled BSDF. Base color connects to the base color input of the principled BSDF. Roughness connects to the roughness input, controlling the surface's smoothness. Metallic connects to the metallic input, determining if the material behaves like a metal. Normal connects to the normal input via a normal map node, adding surface detail. Height can be used with a displacement node to add geometric detail.
Ambient occlusion can be multiplied with the base color to add depth and shadowing effects. Using the principled BSDF shader with PBR textures allows you to create highly realistic materials with accurate light interactions, making your renders look more lifelike. The Node Wrangler add-in is a powerful tool in Blender that enhances your workflow when working with nodes.
Here are some key features and how to enable it. Enabling Node Wrangler. Open Blender and go to Edit Preferences. Navigate to the Add-ons tab. Search for Node Wrangler and check the box to enable it. Key feature.
In Blender, when using the Node Wrangler add-in, pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus T with a material selected activates the principled texture setup feature. This powerful shortcut allows you to quickly and efficiently set up a PBR, physically based rendering, material by automatically connecting multiple texture maps to the principled BSDF shader. Make sure you have a material selected in the shader editor.
Press Ctrl plus Shift plus T, this opens a file browser window.
Select texture maps, choose the relevant PBR texture maps, e.g., base color, roughness, metallic, normal, etc., from your file system.
You can select multiple files at once.
Node Wrangler will automatically create and connect the necessary nodes to the principled BSDF shader, setting up the material with the selected textures. Node Wrangler is especially useful for complex node setups, making it easier to manage and manipulate nodes efficiently. Using multiple materials on a single object. Using multiple materials on a single object in Blender allows you to apply different textures and properties to different parts of the same mesh.
Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do this.
Step 1. Create the poster frame object.
Press Shift plus A and add a cube to your scene. This will be the poster. Tab to enter edit mode.
Scale the cube to the desired shape and size of your poster.
Press S and adjust the size. Select the front face. Press I to inset the face to create the frame. Select the new face and press E to extrude. Extrude a small amount inward to create.
Using multiple materials on a single object. Using multiple materials on a single object in Blender allows you to apply different textures and properties to different parts of the same mesh.
Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do this.
Step 1. Create the poster frame object.
Press Shift+A and add a cube to your scene. This will be the poster. Tab to enter edit mode.
Scale the cube to the desired shape and size of your poster.
Press S and adjust the size. Select the front face. Press I to inset the face to create the frame. Select the new face and press E to extrude.
Extrude a small amount inward to create the poster face.
Exit edit mode. Step 2. Create and assign materials. Go to the Material Properties panel. Click New to create a new material for the poster. Name this material Poster. Shift+A to add an image texture. Click Open and select the image file you want to use as the poster. Connect the color output on the image texture to the base color input on the principled BSDF.
Click the Slot 1 drop-down and click the plus button again to add another material slot.
Click New to create a new material for the frame. Name this material Frame. Set the base color to black.
Step 3. Assign materials to faces.
Enter edit mode by pressing Tab.
Select the faces that will display the poster image, the front face of the plane. In the Material Properties panel, select the poster material slot and click Assign.
Select Frame Faces, select the faces that will be the frame, the extruded edges and the back face if needed. Assign Frame Material. In the Material Properties panel, select the Frame Material slot and click Assign. Step 4. Adjust UV mapping for the poster. UV Editing, switch to the UV Editing workspace. Select Poster Face. In edit mode, select the face that will display the poster image. Unwrap, press U and select Unwrap to unwrap the selected face. Adjust UVs. In the UV editor, adjust the UV coordinates to fit the poster image correctly. Happy blending! See you next time. Written and recorded February 2025.